I'm Senora Fisher. If you're watching this, that means you have me in class this year. Just wanted to give you a little intro to me before we actually meet next week. I've been teaching Spanish for 15 years now. I graduated from Morehead State University in Kentucky with a major in Spanish and a minor in English. I've taught all levels of Spanish, even college levels, so I've been in a lot of classrooms. In my class, we do a lot of reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Mostly it's reading and listening activities to see if you can comprehend. I use a method called comprehensible input, which basically just means I have to make the language comprehensible for you or easier for you to understand. So sometimes that means I'm a little goofy in class, but that's okay. Having fun is what I like to do. I'm a shared teacher between the middle school and the high school, so I spend the first two periods of the day at the high school, and then I travel to the middle school. I have a planning period between 9 and 9:30, so that's the best time to catch me for a Google Meet if you need to, or to probably get a response to an email or after school. Both times I'm available. You're going to learn a lot about Spanish, so you're probably going to have a lot of questions. You're going to learn about the culture and the language, not just speaking Spanish, but also about their holidays, traditions, the things that they do or have done in the past. It's a really fun class, and I hope you enjoy it. I can't wait to see you next week.